me, if I'm coming with 15 people, then that's a social gathering. If I'm coming to the rink with my family and there's 15 other people here, that's not a social gathering.
Outdoor gatherings limited to 10 people. But there's been confusion when it comes to outdoor rinks and how many people are allowed on the ice, especially after an anti-mask protest seemingly went unpunished this weekend.
Well, it's confusing. There's been no real clarity.
Trevor Ides is a lead rink volunteer at Renfrew Community Association. Last week, he was informed police had shown up to tell them the rules.
We had a volunteer here last week. He was skating with his daughter, and the police van showed up and told them they were only allowed 10 people on the ice.
Ides says no tickets were handed out, the association making sure to put up signs letting visitors know about the new restrictions. A tweet from CHFM's 95.9's Mookie Wilson getting hundreds of responses, with many wondering why a gathering of 11 kids was shut down. But there was no enforcement at an anti-mask protest over the weekend. The government website states outdoor group physical activity is limited to 10 people or fewer. But the president of Renfrew Community Association says other community associations have been told the 10-person capacity does not apply to outdoor rinks.
It leaves us in a pickle, right? We're a nonprofit and we're operating, trying to limit our liability. We want to make sure that we're both providing a service for our community through the rink, but at the same time, we don't want to put ourselves at risk of contravening any public health regulations.
The Alberta government tells City News outdoor skating can continue, provided physical distancing can be maintained at all times. The total capacity can vary. There can be more than 10 people on the ice, but individual groups need to be 10 or fewer. Because the rink is volunteer-run and mainly unsupervised, the association says it's hard to police or enforce the gathering limit.
We'll do our best to encourage folks to follow the guidelines. People are getting a little stir-crazy perhaps, and we want to see people using it, but using it safely. We don't want to face the situation of having to shut it down due to people not following rules.
In Calgary, Jackie Perez, City News.